Hi, I'm Gary Miller, Oracle's Customer Success Officer. And it's my honor to be here today with Khem Balkaran, CIO of Minerals Technologies. Welcome, Khem.
Good to be here with you, Gary.
We've been partners for many years, and the more I've learned about Minerals Technologies, the more impressed I've been with the innovation and the business agility. You've acquired companies, you've moved into other countries where you weren't before. The speed, the confidence, you do that in amazing ways.
It's interesting you said the confidence, and you know, you were a part of that. When we have an acquisition, for example, and we are looking to integrate Oracle into a new location, many times we're going into locations that we have never had any business in, or we don't have Oracle application in these countries. And so working with your team, Customer Success Service, we get the confidence that, you know, Oracle is actually implemented in these countries before. The localization that is required for that country, whether it's taxes or some other compliances that needs to be a part of that system. I think this partnership works well in that regard.
We've always seen you as a leader in using cloud capabilities and cloud services, and that's, you know, enabled you to focus on your core business.
When it comes to running Oracle Cloud, we want to make sure that we're leveraging resources like yours so that we can have the highest level of performance, we can have the highest level of uptime for our end users, and we can have this level of sustainability in the system, and then put our focus on the things that really matter.
You've been able to get a lot more out of Oracle because you really partnered with us. We understood your business, we understood where you're going. So that partnership, I think, is really critical to, you know, both your success and our success. So for any other customers, what advice would you give them for how to engage Oracle?
I believe relationships is important, and so our relationship, Gary, with you, or even with the folks that we talk to in India on a daily basis that is doing customer cloud services for us, whether it's a ticket that they're helping us to answer, solving a problem that we've never encountered, this is the way that we're actually leveraging up and using the services that, you know, are available to us to make sure that we're moving expediently, we have the agility that our customers internally and externally want from us.